Hello, once again, I welcome you to Suspend YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing us a quick method of opening your source code folder directly from your terminal into VS Code. Normally, when you want to open the source code or the folder that contains your source code, you will need to navigate through going through the file explorer, go into the folder. I assume that you're on window machine, and try to open the source code into VS Code. Now, but there's a shortcut. Instead of going through so many clicks, about 4 or 5 clicks, there's a short code that you can just type in your terminal, and it's going to open your code directly into VS Code. Now, let's jump into it. Yeah, if you see my screen here, if normally you want to open your code directly into VS Code, you would have gone through from the top right here. You click on the right hand, go into folder, then you navigate to the folder that contain the source code. Let's assume in this case, I have a folder called Containerize App. Okay, I will select the folder and it's going to open the source code into your VS Code editor. But you don't have to go through all this code. Only if you know the part where the source code is being stored. If you know the part, then you don't have to go through this many code. So I'm going to show you this shortcut of opening your source code all the way from the terminal. So I'm going to close this window. I'm going to open a new window and walk you through that simple process. So I've opened a new window of VS Code terminal. I'm going to close the old one. So this is a new window. Then let me open the terminal. And you can do this from any terminal, be it PowerShell, command prompt, be it your Git bash, or even your Ubuntu terminal. You can do it from anywhere. But in this case, for this demo, I'm going to use Git bash. So now I'm in the Git bash terminal. You can see it right down here, and I know where my code is saved. I know the part where the code is saved. So I'm going to navigate into it. So I'll just have cd, I think it's contain. Okay, sorry. Cd contain. Okay, this is where my code is saved. Now, if I want to know the part where the code is saved, okay, let me clear this. If I want to know the part where my code is, I just use the print working directory command, and this actually show me where my source code is being saved. So if you know this, all you need to do is to just type code and place the path. And when you click on enter, it is going to open you directly into your VS Code. It's going to take you directly into your VS Code, as you can see from my screen here, instead of going through so many clicks. And alternatively, if your source code is saved in the root directory of your terminal or of your computer, as the case may be, then you don't have to type the full path. And with just a period, you will be able to open it. And I'm going to show you that this will only work if the source code is saved in the root directory. So I'm going to close this terminal and I'm going to open another new terminal. Okay, I don't even have to. So just come here, let me clear it. And for instance, if the code is in the root directory, all you just need to type is code and a period, and you click on enter, and it's going to open the terminal. So this is how you can easily and quickly open your source code folder from the terminal into VS Code. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye-bye.